first thing that we notice when people deploy our systems is that they're surprised, and the degree of surprise is for them surprising in the sense that they deploy a system and they start seeing the KPIs and seeing where the trouble spots in the network are, and the usual comment is, we never thought that this part of the network was actually so stressed, or we thought this part of the network was stressed, but actually it's not all that bad. So what it does immediately is that changes their attitude towards whatever tools they were using before to understand what was happening in the network, to saying, okay, we need to essentially have regular campaigns that use our solutions, our products, to understand on a quarterly basis, on a monthly basis, what the trends are. So what we see is that first thing, after immediate adoption, there's almost a shock, a good shock, right? Aha moments, followed by a very structured campaigns that are run on a monthly, quarterly, 6-monthly basis to make sure that the gains that they have made are actually retained, and also to find out more trouble spots as their network expands. The other offshoot also is that now, as enterprises rethink their networks and go into expansions, or they bring in more IT services, or they go for cloudification, this becomes an important data point in how they think about their planning and their budgeting. And so in both these fronts, whereas for monitoring, for dashboarding and making sure that the network is sustainably good, and for future-based planning purposes, our products end up having a huge impact on an ongoing basis. What we find out is that when somebody becomes our customer, they stay our customer literally forever. And I have customers who've been with the company well before we acquired NI, which is our Observer product was acquired back in 2014. We have customers from 2013, 2012 who are still with us and love the product and depend heavily on the product in terms of providing a trustworthy window into what's happening in their network. And this is the power of our solution, which is it provides instant value at the same time as the focus of the enterprise changes, right? The use of the tool also changes. So the half-life of the product, right, in terms of what the value deliver, is well past your 10, 12-year mark. And it's not like it's one and done, and you come in and just solve a problem and move on, and the product gathers dust. It evolves as the customer's needs evolve. And as I told you before, right, what it ends up triggering is a very formalized set of campaigns to manage the network more efficiently, more prudently, more economically going forward.